What is going on, guys? It is a fine, super fine day here in southeastern Ohio. So, I just got a weird stick up my butt and I fueled up and rode as far as I could, almost as far as I could, down 70 west, excuse me, and ended up somewhere. Looks like Wheeling, West Virginia is 18 miles that way. Columbus, Ohio is 108 miles that way. I'm done with the interstate though. I mean, I was only on for like an hour, 2 hours, whatever it was, but I don't really want to be on it anymore. I kind of want to see if I can find a nice scenic back way home. I don't know. I guess I gotta go east to get home. So yeah, that's just kind of the situation. Haven't posted in a minute because of just some personal stuff, really. Just, I don't know, just kind of is what it is. I don't know which way to go. I mean, I guess at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter. Probably wasn't supposed to do this jumble of an illegal maneuver right there, but I'm sure you won't tell anybody. But what you will do is like, share, subscribe. God bless America. Man, I don't know. I didn't really want to bring it up, man, but that whole Charlie Kirk thing got me fucking sick. Like, that's just not cool, man. I mean, I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'm not getting, political or whatever. It just makes me sick. 40. I mean, I could run 40 west, east. Man, I suck at directions. Well, which way? I mean, technically, that's west, east. Wow, I don't know what's going on, do I? So this is 40 east. Okay, yeah, we'll run it. I've been on, I mean, this is Route 40, but I have no idea. I've never been on this part of 40 before, so that's kind of cool. And Ohio's actually a really pretty state, man. Like, whenever I was chasing the eclipse and I went, where was I? I was in Lima, Ohio, so I was on the other side of Columbus, Ohio. So I was really on the western central part of Ohio. Man, what a pretty state, dude. Like, the roads back there were so freaking nice. Like, it was absolutely gorgeous. But I'm excited to be on the bike. I have been riding, but I don't know. They have been tarring and chipping every single road in my area, and I just got these brand new tires, so I really am not trying to like destroy them. And with that stuff, how coarse it is, I can just feel me losing tire. Like, I'm not a fan of it whatsoever. So yeah, that's honestly why I decided to go out to on the interstate and just hit the interstate as far as I could go on a full tank of gas. I made it. I don't know how many miles it was, but I made it from Pittsburgh to wherever I'm at in Ohio. Damn, flying. So, I definitely would have made it a lot farther if I would have done back roads. Believe it or not, it might sound a little weird to say that, but when you're on the interstate, you're cranking down the throttle like the whole time, so obviously you're going to get less gas mileage, and you figure you got 100-mile-an-hour winds pushing up against you, so you're losing fuel economy there as well. But it's what it is. I'm just gonna chill, and I will turn you guys on whenever something interesting happens. Again, I do apologize for not really uploading. I've just kind of been in a little slumperuno had a very interesting thing happen. I guess I could tell you this story real fast before I get off. Pretty much, I got stung by an insect, and I'll show you the video right here. Ouch! Something hit me. Oh, what is down in my? Ouch! Ouch! Fuck! Ah! Fuck! Ah! Fuck! And well, after that, it got really, really inflamed and really, really infected. Now, I'm a hypochondriac, so I don't just let wounds go unintended. So it was, it must have been something the insect had. I don't know what it was, dude. I have no idea. It left a welt like this. I don't know what it was. But, yeah, so then it got super, super, super bad. Went to Med Express. She looked at it. She said she thinks I have cellulitis. So she put me on extremely high antibiotics, 500 milligram. I can't remember exactly what it was, every 6 hours. Well, if you don't know, like I didn't know, antibiotics don't just kill bad bacteria, they kill good bacteria, and you have a lot of good bacteria in your gut. So when you're on antibiotics, a lot of times you should be taking a probiotic like Florastor, which is what I'm on right now, or eating something with a lot of probiotics in it to kind of balance that out. Well, they didn't tell me that, and I didn't know that, so I ended up having a lot of issues in the GI system. I'm glad I didn't get something called C. diff, which is pretty much after you kill all the good bacteria, a very, very toxic bad bacteria can flourish, and it is a very bad situation. So I've been kind of dealing with that for like 2 weeks, and yeah, just kind of other things, getting adjusted to a few other things. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But I'm going to go ahead and get off here. I will come back on when I have something interesting to say or something interesting to look at or whatever. I'm just chilling. I probably honestly could go farther. I kind of want to, but I don't know. We'll just run this because this is going to run me all the way down into Uniontown, and then I got to run all the way back up from Uniontown. Technically, I could run through California, Pennsylvania, and kind of run up the backside of everything like that. Maybe I'll do that. But yeah, anyways, I'll be back, guys. Just about to go through Pretty Little Town, maybe, I don't know. I seen that and I'm like, oh hey, maybe that'll be something cool to film. So I don't know, no idea what this is about, dude. I'm just chilling, honestly. Like, I wasn't even going to record because don't really, not that I don't want to, just kind of just want to chill, you know what I mean? But you know, hey, I like to look back on my endeavors myself. Is that the right word to use? Probably not. Yeah, I love architecture, man. Like, that is a very cool, that's a very cool building. I'm assuming it's a courthouse. And what beautiful freaking weather too, man. Dude, we have been having the best weather for well over like a month and a half. Like, I want to drive one of those so bad. But yeah, we've been having absolutely gorgeous weather. It's about to be a little bit warmer now. Today is Sunday, by the way. I'm not sure of the date, but I'm trying to also get home so I can upload this to you on Sunday, because Sunday is my day to upload. I was talking about something, got completely distracted by that, which wasn't even really relevant. I don't know. I don't care. Something about weather. Yeah, it's just been absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, it's going to be warm, but it's not going to be humid, you know. So, and leaves are already starting to change, which is pretty wild, but I'm not that worried about timing my vacations for fall, because I mean, I at the end of the day, I always overhype it, and I always enjoy it, but I mean, I can still go out every time after work and, you know, enjoy it. That's what I love about where I live. I don't have to drive anywhere to enjoy foliage. Like, people drive to me in my area, you know, to see the foliage. And, you know, yeah, Pittsburgh, but I mean, like, all the areas around Pittsburgh, you know what I mean? Like, even getting to West Virginia doesn't take very long. It takes like an hour to get to West Virginia. So, like, you know, if I want to be in the sticks in like Somerset County, you know, it doesn't take long. The longest part's getting through, what's that, 22 or whatever it is, 30 maybe? Yeah, I think it's 30. That's the hardest part, or the most pain in the butt part. After that, it's smooth sailing, dude. So I'm not really going to overhype it. I am going on vacation the last week of September. And then I have another one that I'm probably taking mid to late October. I don't really know what I'm going to do. I mean, every year I have a plan on, you know, going somewhere far and doing something crazy, but just kind of always comes down to financial reasons, you know what I mean? Like, I have to figure out what I'm going to do with my car. Like, I have to figure out what I'm doing with my car, because I think we're going to have an actual snowy winter this year. I don't mind riding, actually I don't mind at all riding in the cold. It does tend to be a pain in the butt whenever it's you know, 6 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, and you just wake up. Sometimes I really don't want to deal with it like that, but I mean, it's not that bad. The salt, I'm not worried about the salt anymore, to be honest with you, man. I really plan on getting another bike, or second bike, very soon. Hopefully, you know, again, finances. But, yeah, I don't know. But, yeah, back to winter. I think we're going to actually have, like, a snowy winter. And, you know, I can't ride when there's, like, physical snow accumulating on the roads. Like, just can't do it. So I have to figure out what I'm gonna do. But hey, I will be back. I am going to get back off here again, and I'll come back if there's anything else interesting.
Hey kid, do I have your attention? I know the way you've been living. Life's so reckless, tragedy endless. Welcome to the family. Hey, there's something missing. Only time will alter your vision. Never in question, lethal injection. Welcome to the family. Not long ago, you'd find the answers were so crystal clear. Within a day, you find yourself living in constant fear. Can you look at yourself now? Can you look at yourself? You can't win this fight. In a way, it seems there's no one to come when our thoughts are so numb and our feelings unsure. We all have emptiness inside. We all have answers to find. But you can't win this fight. I have to question what's with the violent aggression. Details blurry, lost them too early. Welcome to the family. Hey, why won't you listen? Can't help the people you're missing. It's been done, a casualty rerun. Welcome to the family.